We have fruits, we have stats, so look at this. Hello there people and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how I got Blox Fruits scripts for free. Guys, this is working perfectly in both Android and iOS devices, so let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop and you will see these scripts. Okay, click there and now select Blox Fruits and you will find the online tool. Click there guys, and now we'll have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here. So let me copy I will show you. So open your profile official on your browser and just copy your profile link. Super easy. Okay, let's get back to our tool. Then you have paste button. Okay, press that and automatically you will get your Roblox user ID. So the next step, okay, is connected. The next step is to answer to these questions. So do you have Delta executor? No. Import in the newest? Yes. Select scripts. Okay, let me click here and let me click continue guys, and let's see does it actually work. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Blox Fruits, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and more websites for now. This AppLoop is an amazing website for this. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down, we have generated keys, so just click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here guys, we need to download 2 free games for apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher of the app or downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description of what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and Scanner app, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text. Guys, if you have this message, just wait for this redirecting and let's see. Nice guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Blox Fruits scripts are important to your account guys. I'm so excited to test this. Okay, so let me open the game and let's see does it actually work. So let's see guys. Okay, here we go, and let's see guys. Let's wait a little bit and let's see. Okay guys, I'm now in the game, and as you can see we have this panel. We have thank you for using Delta. We have these all scripts are aided successfully. So let me click execute and let's wait a little bit for this. And guys, as you can see, scripts are aided successfully. We have fruits, we have stats, so look at this. This is working perfectly guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.